Welcome to Zone Unveiler. We think we know the story of the Titanic, but deep down in the freezing darkness, there are secrets that have never been told until now. Today, we are unlocking the forbidden doors of the doomed ship to witness what really remains inside. Today, we are not just chasing ghosts, we are hunting for a lost fortune hidden deep inside the Titanic. A treasure untouched for a century. Hit subscribe right now. Let's go find it. We are leaving the world of the living behind. As we descend past the twilight zone, the pressure builds to crushing levels. It is pitch black down here. The sonar is our only eye. There she is, rising from the mud like a fallen kingdom, the Titanic. We are slipping through a tear in the hull to enter the engine room. We are entering the belly of the beast, the engine room. This place was once deafeningly loud, filled with the heat of coal. These massive steel giants powered the ship across the ocean. Now, they are just rusting monuments in the deep. You can almost hear the roar of the engines that's silenced forever. Moving into the First Class Dining Saloon. This is the most haunting sight I have ever seen. It's not just wreckage, it's a memory frozen in time. The tables are set. The skeletons are still seated, dressed in their finest, waiting for a meal that never ended. It's a surreal, ghostly banquet. The band might be gone, but looking at them, you get the chilling feeling that the party never really stopped. Let's drift into the Galley. This area tells a different story. It's a story of panic and chaos. You can see the pots overturned, the ovens still open. The skeletons here are caught in motion, running, reaching, trying to escape. They were working to serve others until the very last second of their lives. Now we enter the private sanctuaries, the luxury suites. The door is open. Inside, the wealth is still visible, but it means nothing now. Look there, on the bed. Some didn't even try to run. They accepted their fate in their sleep. Or perhaps they were taking a bath when the ocean took them. It is a deeply personal and tragic scene. Wait a second, my sensors are spiking. There, in the corner of the captain's quarters. That's a reinforced steel safe. It looks locked, but our manipulator arm can handle it. Let's crack it open and see what history hid from us. Unbelievable. Gold bars, diamonds, pearls, a fortune that sank in 1912, sparkling under our lights for the first time in a century. The ship is groaning. Structural collapse is imminent. We have the treasure. We need to go now. Full thrusters, ascending to the surface. Mission successful. We survived the deep. The Titanic still holds many mysteries, but today, Zone Unveiler brought a piece of history back to the light. If this journey gave you chills, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. The ocean is vast, and we have more secrets to find. See you next time.